This animation illustrates the baseline execution model of artificial intelligence. By design, a traditional large language model functions as a single-pass inference engine. It receives a prompt, generates a statistically probable continuation, and halts. That linear execution is highly effective for discrete generation and classification, but it fails when tasked with complex, long-horizon objectives. Resolving real-world problems requires environment interaction, the assimilation of ongoing feedback, and dynamic adaptation. A single pass cannot navigate an evolving state space. The architectural solution to this limitation is the AI agent loop. This converts a static language model into a dynamic, goal-oriented system capable of cyclical execution. This diagram maps the 5 repeating stages of an autonomous agent: perceive, reason, plan, act, and observe. This systemic design directly mirrors the OODA loop: observe, orient, decide, act, utilized in military strategy. It dictates that the system capable of cycling through decisions and environmental feedback faster than the complexity of its environment is the one that succeeds. The agent loop acts as the orchestration runtime binding memory, planning mechanisms, and tool use to the core language model. By taking the output of an action, combining it with new environmental observations, and feeding it directly back into the model's own context window, the system establishes a continuous feedback cycle. The data shows that autonomous execution is not achieved simply by scaling up a model's parameter count. It requires engineering a robust runtime capable of continuously matching the complexity of the external environment. Deploying a continuous loop introduces a severe vulnerability. Left to their own devices, models frequently jump straight from an initial observation into executing a premature action, resulting in high rates of hallucinated tool calls. This split-path diagram outlines the solution: the REACT, or reasoning plus acting, architectural pattern. It forces the system off the direct path from observation to action, mandating that reasoning traces are tightly interleaved with tool execution. Before invoking any external tool, the model is strictly prompted to generate an explicit internal monologue. It must detail its current understanding of the environment, state its intended action, and document the specific rationale behind that choice. This forced reasoning serves a dual purpose. It interrupts the impulse for immediate execution, and it renders the model's internal logic fully auditable. Human engineers can now read the exact execution trace to debug failure states. Empirical evaluations of the REACT pattern show a massive improvement in reliability. Models utilizing interleaved reasoning achieve up to a 34% higher success rate on interactive benchmarks like ElfWorld compared to single-pass models. Forcing a model to slow down and document its own logic is the required first step for reliable physical-world interaction. Even with perfect reasoning, standard language models possess total amnesia. Without an engineered memory layer, the agent treats every loop iteration as entirely novel, ignorant of what it tried just moments before. Orchestration frameworks solve this via rigorous state checkpointing. A checkpoint captures a durable snapshot of the environment at a specific point in time, tagged with a monotonically increasing ID. This allows developers to persist context across multiple turns, or rewind an agent to a previous state for time travel debugging. This comparison graphic highlights a severe storage bloat issue depending on the data architecture you choose to store those checkpoints. On the left is an SQLite implementation. On the right, PostgreSQL. Because SQLite checkpointers frequently serialize the entire checkpoint in line within a single blob, long-running loops cause massive duplication. Stable, multi-megabyte variables are redundantly serialized into every single new row, which can easily result in over 100 gigabytes of local storage bloat. Advanced PostgreSQL setups resolve this by normalizing complex channel values into distinct blob tables keyed by thread and version. They write only the specific values that actually change between workflow nodes, keeping the database highly efficient. Autonomous continuity relies exactly as much on optimized database schema design as it does on the intelligence of the model itself. Without rigorous state management, agents collapse under their own contextual weight. To interface with the external world, agents rely on tools. Structurally, a tool is just a function defined by a strictly typed JSON schema that dictates required parameters for the model to generate. Historically, developers had to build custom, vendor-specific connectors for every distinct API they wanted the agent to use, creating an unsustainable integration bottleneck. This architecture diagram outlines the modern standard, the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. Operating like a universal port for AI, MCP establishes a host-client-server architecture that standardizes the two-way communication between the language model and any external data source. But standardizing connections introduces a new problem. Passing hundreds of tool definitions and massive intermediate database results directly back into the LLM's context window creates severe latency and token cost bottlenecks. To bypass this, modern architectures wrap the execution environment in a secure sandbox, like a Docker container. Instead of exposing every API as a discrete tool, the agent is simply given a secure shell where it writes and executes dynamic code to interact with the MCP servers itself. This enables progressive disclosure. The agent pulls large database files or sensitive information entirely within the local sandbox. It runs code to process the data there and only passes the final synthesized output back through the context window. Moving execution into an isolated sandbox prevents token runaway and ensures sensitive data never touches a model provider servers. When deployed into production, agents frequently succumb to the agent loop problem. This is a systemic failure mode characterized by high-speed motion without actual progress. The agent repeatedly cycles through the perception action loop but fails to converge on a resolution. This manifests in several distinct pathologies. Tool ping pong, where the agent bounces endlessly between search queries, convinced that one more source holds the answer. Plan churn, where the agent continuously rewrites its execution plan without taking action. Eventually, this leads to context rot, because the LLM inherently interprets past errors as a signal to retry the identical action, rather than changing its approach. Because of these pathologies, relying on an LLM's internal logic to output a stop token to end the execution loop is a demonstrably unsafe software pattern. The first deterministic break we apply is cryptographic action deduplication. As shown in this execution trace, before a tool is triggered, the runtime serializes its arguments and generates a SHA-256 hash. If the exact same action has already been attempted, the system intercepts the call. It then injects a synthetic observation and explicit failure status code back into the context window. This forces the reasoning engine to recognize the repetition and mathematically alter its trajectory. For repetitive task delegation, enterprise architectures use outcome-based routing layers. These systems log the success or failure of previous tool choices into a materialized view, building a mathematical probability model. When an agent encounters a familiar task, the router bypasses the LLM's zero-shot judgment entirely and automatically routes execution to the highest probability path. The ultimate governor is human-in-the-loop middleware. Frameworks like LangGraph use an interrupt function to suspend execution right before a high-stakes action. Because the exact environment state is persisted in the database, the pause consumes zero compute resources. A human operator can review the trace, mutate the arguments mid-flight, and seamlessly guide the agent out of a failure state before resuming the loop. Production reliability is achieved precisely by restricting the model's freedom. The architecture must transition from stochastic multi-agent debates into rigidly governed state machines. The efficacy of these agent loops is tested in software engineering benchmarks. The SWE bench evaluates isolated, single-issue bug fixes, but the SWE Evo benchmark demands code-based scale evolution, requiring agents to interpret high-level requirements and coordinate changes across dozens of files. A linear React loop can achieve high resolution rates on isolated triage, but when subjected to the massive multi-file dependencies of SW Evo, performance drops precipitously to around 25%. Early missteps compound into irreversible errors, and the agent becomes trapped in local optima. Surviving long-horizon execution requires transitioning to deliberate System 2 planning. The most sophisticated implementation of this is Language Agent Tree Search, or LATS. LATS discards the linear trajectory entirely, treating problem-solving as a Monte Carlo tree search. The agent maintains multiple candidate reasoning paths simultaneously, expanding the tree by generating and simulating potential actions in parallel. The selection of which branch to explore next is determined by the upper confidence bound equation. The Q value represents the estimated value of the state. This score is derived through the language model's own self-reflection capabilities, critiquing the viability of that specific node. The second half of the equation is the logarithmic term. This mathematically balances the exploitation of known high-value paths against the exploration of less visited hypothetical branches, preventing the agent from committing prematurely to a flawed strategy. As leaf nodes are simulated and evaluated, those scores are backpropagated up the tree. This updates the value estimates of earlier decisions, allowing the system to safely backtrack out of a failing hypothesis and pursue a better alternative. By continuously simulating, scoring, and reflecting on multiple parallel futures, language agent tree search ensures the model survives the massive spatial and temporal demands required to engineer real software. This architectural blueprint represents the evolution from a simple, stateless prompt into a hardened execution ecosystem. The core React loop is stabilized by Postgres memory, external data is processed safely within Dockerized MCP sandboxes, deterministic breaks govern routing, and the entire workflow is guided by Monte Carlo tree search. Executing short-horizon, single-tool operations is now a computationally solved problem. The foundational mechanics work. AI engineering has shifted to focus exclusively on stabilizing these external graph layers against context rot and timeline degradation over massive temporal spans. Realizing true autonomy requires the rigid mathematical orchestration of a predictable software pathway.